What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my crypto journey. My name is Rodney, and finally, after popular demand from all the people in my morning show, Coffee and Crypto, people want to see me talk about Tectonic. And after spending the last few days of looking into Tonic, I can tell you that this is a pretty decent project, doing something that others did, but in a better and more safe and secure and unique way, in my opinion. And the opportunities for a 10x, maybe even a 100x in the future, definitely possible if the cryptocurrency market continues to grow. And of course, we're all bullish on cryptocurrency over here, and it definitely will grow. Let's look at the price action of Tonic, and then we'll talk about the project altogether. And I'll give you my reasons why I think this has the potential to go absolutely insane during the next run. So we're up 12% on the day. If you go to all-time high, it doesn't look that good. I mean, obviously when it launched, it dumped quite a bit, but we are seeing a steady rise, right? The last 3 months. It's recovering from its previous price point. If you were able to buy in at this bottom, I mean, you're making insane profits. I'm always a big advocate of taking profits, but if you believe in the project long term, if you think it's going to hit its all-time high again, and you're a DCA kind of person, fine, more power to you. But this is what I like to see. Look how small the market cap is. Guys, $16 million is absolutely nothing in this space. This has the opportunity to do a 10x, maybe even a 100x down the road. The potential to make a ton of money on this project is definitely there if things go right. Now, the other thing that I like about it, and why I think it's probably the biggest reason, in my opinion, why I'm bullish on Tectonic, is the fact that it's on the Cronos blockchain. Now, Crypto.com has been under kind of a lot of scrutiny lately because they slashed their rewards and those sorts of things. They're kind of out of the news right now. A lot of people are roasting them because they spent so much money on partnerships with, you know, LeBron James and other influencers, while their company is taking, you know, a step back right now. They're having to lay off employees and those sorts of things. But guys, most cryptocurrency projects and companies are having to do that thing right now. It's a bear market. But what I liked about Crypto.com or Cronos is that they slashed the high rewards for their cards before the market started to dump. And a lot of companies that were offering these insane rewards for using their card or staking or whatever, those companies went under. So in my opinion, Crypto.com did a smart thing by getting ahead of that and slashing those rewards. But that's just my opinion. Now, this is what I like about Crypto.com. So check this out. Binance, Big Daddy Binance, right? BNB is a jack of all trades. They're not just a blockchain. They're not just a centralized exchange, right? They have many different things going for them. That's the same way I feel about Cronos or Crypto.com. They're kind of like the jack of all trades. They're doing a bunch of different things. They're not sticking to one area. And that could be bad for some people, but when it comes to their exchange, I think that people are still going to use their exchange. They're never going to stop using Cronos because people like Crypto.com. They like the card. They like the rewards. And the fact that they're making their own blockchain gives projects that are starting early on their blockchain, which Tectonic is, right? Tonic is, I think those projects have the opportunity to grow with the space. So this could be a win-win-win situation when it comes to Tonic and those sorts of things, it being on the Cronos blockchain. And the feedback I hear from people about using the Cronos blockchain is that they all love it. I don't really use it personally, but maybe I'm gonna have to actually buy some of this. Now, if you want to buy Tonic, it looks like you can actually get it if you go to markets, VVS Finance, Crypto.com exchange, and I'm sure whatever, let's see, decentralized, so you can only get it on Crypto.com, but you can get it on just VVS Finance. So I believe that's probably Cronos's swap, like, you know, Ethereum is a Uniswap. Not too familiar with the decentralized exchanges over on the Cronos chain, but I'll definitely have to check that out. I don't have Crypto.com as a centralized exchange I use, but maybe I'm gonna have to get it because I do want to pick up some Tonic after researching a little bit more into this project. Now, if we go to their actual website, what do they do? What's the hubbub? What's all the hype all about? Now, this project, this angle, this business model is not new in the cryptocurrency space. So Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and accessing instant back-end loans. So generate passive yield on your assets. So crypto assets deposited into Tonic earn attractive APYs based on a dynamic rate according to market demands. Earnings are available immediately with no lockup. So whatever assets you deposit to be used as some sort of liquidity, right, you get APY based on the rates that are always ever changing in the market. Depends on market demand, right? So earnings are available immediately with no lockup. So instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity from idle crypto assets into Tectonic Tectonic, so you can get a loan. Now, leverage is it's pretty dangerous in cryptocurrency. Sometimes you have to be a little careful because a lot of people get wrecked, but that's what cryptocurrency is about. Do things at your own risk. So these are some of the things I liked, that they are audited, right? So that's cool. They have some good audited. They have insurance fund coming soon. So this is pretty cool. So check this out. 10% of the interest paid by borrowers goes to an insurance fund used in the event that under collateralized loans are not properly liquidated. So this is some sort of insurance for a cryptocurrency project, which is good because there's not a lot of insurances in cryptocurrency because it's decentralized, right? Insurances are with like banks and stuff like that, right? Open source, which I think is nice because that means anyone can look at the code. And although people think that that's a bad thing, I think it's a good thing because when it's open source like that, people look at it all the time, maybe try to break it. So if there's an issue, they can fix it right away. So your funds are okay. So these are some of the frequently asked questions. What is Tectonic? So Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial algorithmic money market protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income or borrow funds to unlock liquidity in their assets. So how does it work? Funds deposited by users are provided as liquidity to borrowers, right? So you are a liquidity pool and you get a certain percentage of that every time it's used. So who may borrow at a variable interest rates? Tectonic smart contracts adjust these rates based on each market utilization rate. So like they said, it's dynamic. It's always changing. What is Tonic? So Tonic is Tectonic's protocol token, which have two key use cases. So governance, so for voting and stuff like that, and staking into the community's insurance pool to secure the protocol and earn more passive rewards. And you can join their community. All their links to everything are down at the bottom. And if we go to their actual app right here, you can see all the different supplies, all the different things people are borrowing, all the things people are, doing to provide liquidity and those sorts of things. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. What do you think of Tectonic? Do you want to hear more news about this project? I'm interested to hear your opinion. It's a pretty simple project that's catching on a lot right now. It's like something that was done like all the time during the bull run, but it seems like most of these projects went away, and the reason why they went away was because they were offering insane APYs. Now this to me, like 1%, 3%, even 10% is still pretty modest, and of course this is on their Tonic token. It's still pretty modest because things with like Anchor Protocol, you were seeing like 20% APY or something like that, which really destroys cryptocurrency products because that's not a number they can maintain when the market starts to dump like it's doing right now. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.